Fixing 31.13.01 and 31.13.02 ADF jam errors on HP PageWide MFP and LaserJet MFP M500 and M600 printers. Fix jams in the document feeder when the printer control panel displays a 31.13.01 or 31.13.02 error message. Clear jams from the document feeder paper path. Remove all paper from the document feeder input tray. Lift the document feeder cover. Remove all paper, and then close the cover. Lift the scanner lid, and then check for and remove any paper in the left side of the scanner lid. Lower the scanner lid. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Use thick media to clear the document feeder paper path of any remaining paper. Lift the document feeder cover. Slide a sheet of thick paper or other media into the paper path, and then lift the scanner lid. Continue sliding the media into the paper path to remove any remaining paper. Remove the paper from the paper path. Lower the scanner lid, and then close the document feeder cover. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Resetting the printer might clear the error. With the printer on, go to the rear and disconnect the power cord. Wait 60 seconds and then reconnect the power cord to the printer and wall outlet. The printer should turn on automatically. If it does not, turn on the printer. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Check the life of the rollers on the printer control panel. For the M500 series, the life of the rollers are 75,000 scanned pages. For the M600 series, the life of the rollers are 150,000 scanned pages. For future Smart 4 printers, go to the home screen of the printer control panel. Navigate to and touch Supplies, and then touch Document Feeder Kit. Check the life bar on screen. If the bar is depleted, the rollers might be too worn to pick paper and need to be replaced. For future Smart 3 printers, go to the home screen of the printer control panel. Navigate to and touch Supplies. Touch Document Feeder, and then touch Details. Check the life bar on the screen. If the bar is depleted, the rollers might be too worn to pick paper and need to be replaced. Go to HP.com or search online for the part number to order genuine HP replacement rollers for your printer. If the life bar is not depleted, clean the rollers. Before cleaning, gather a lint-free cloth and distilled or bottled water. Turn off the printer, and then go to the rear and disconnect the power cord. You must disconnect the power cord from its power source to avoid injury or damaging the printer. Lift the document feeder cover, and then locate the rollers. The location of the rollers is similar for all printer models, but the rollers might look different. Dampen a lint-free cloth with water and squeeze it to remove any excess. Clean the rollers with the cloth to remove any debris. As you finish cleaning a section, rotate the roller to clean the entire surface. Let the rollers dry for 10 minutes, and then close the document feeder cover. If the rollers show signs of wear or are worn smooth, replace the rollers. Reconnect the power cord and then turn on the printer. If the issue continues, contact HP to find the warranty and support options for your printer.